You already know what it is. First pumpkin spice of the season, baby. Here we go. She smells heavenly. Oh, does she smell good? Let's dive in. Pumpkin cream cold brew from Starbucks. Damn it, that is fresh. That is good. That is that good stuff. Ooh. It got me wiggling. No words, no notes, no critiques, baby. That. Happy PSL Day to all those that celebrate. Pumpkin spice. God, I love you. I love you, you stupid idiot. You stupid idiot. Why does a drink make me so happy? Why does it do that to me? I'm gonna be so caffeinated. Thank you, pumpkin.